What's up guys, me G making. So I bought a blue mechanical switch. Let me show you. Here is the box. Let me take out the blue mechanical switch. Okay, here you go. I mean, it's look quite nice to be honest with you, but I wanna show you with the real mechanical keyboard. Just 1 minute. Come on, my mechanical keyboard. This is a Bluetooth keyboard I love using with a wire. So yeah, or the both of this is also a blue mechanical switch keyboard. This one a blue switch. Can you see? And let me press this one. I really like the real mechanical keyboard. Both of them use the mechanical switch. Okay, like this is good. Can you see? Let me show you the sound. I bought this one just to keep myself in focus that I need to block because when my finger come up on the mechanical keyboard I just block very fast. And you can see with this one, yeah. Let me show you by turning on the okay, the Bluetooth is on. Anyway, just like this, okay, yeah. So yeah, I can recommend that. It's nice to play with. That's all I can say. I'm quite happy with that at the end of the day.
Power off.
So yeah, what else you want in your life? So yeah, it's a good niche product which I'm gonna put in my keychain. But this is a real cool fidget spinner for me. Wow, I'm liking it. Subscribe and bye.